Welcome to the Reading Copilot Trainertext Library. I just want to take you on a little tour of how it works before you dive into your first lesson. So in your library, you can select a book and then pick a section from the overview page wherever you've gotten to from the day before. You're going to read section 1 today, so let's start on section 3 so that it'll be fresh for you later. You'll see that there's some customization you can do here. You can change the background color if that's a little easier on your eyes, or just stick with standard. You can also change the size of the viewing box. Again, whatever works for you and your computer screen. Now, right away, you might notice something funky about the letters that you see here, which is that they are written in something called trainer text, which is when you have letters on the bottom and then sort of a sound code floating over the top to give you a clue as to what the correct sound is for any letter pattern. So here we have a yo-yo on a finger for the sound y. And then this second guy is the ooh face, little fun emoji that is saying ooh for the long ooh sound. So if we put those two sounds together, we get y, ooh, you. And we found the word. And then we move on to the next page. Maybe you don't need the characters for this word, and that's fine. Any word that you can read straight away correctly, just go for it. So we might be able to say will. And in case you're interested, that's the wand, w, intestines, I, and leg, will. This one might be a little more challenging. It's got 5 sounds in it. So let's use the characters for help. We have bell, yep, see if you can get it. Leg, I. That's the number 9. So we have key, blink. Put it all together. Great. And here's one that might be familiar, but let's just decode it for fun. We have 4, ice cream, I, violin, v, f, I've, 5. Great. You can see how it works. Now, there's about 40 or so little characters to learn, and you will learn them in about 2 days tops. They're really easy to pick up for any age learner, and then you can get started right away. Now, another thing I want to show you is what happens when you get to the end of a phrase. We show you this screen, which is where we want you to reread the phrase 1 or 2 times until it's nice and smooth. You will blink 500 million, ... We got to read the rest of the phrase to find out what comes next. Great. So once that phrase is done, you just press the arrow to move on to the next one. So here's how to work through a section. If you can read a word straight out, great, go for it. If there's a mistake or a hard word or letter, just look above for the characters in trainer text to sound it out and reread the phrase for fluency. 3 crucial steps. The levels get subsequently harder as you move through them, and you'll notice that we have a fun little highlight mode which allows you to reveal the characters in trainer text rather than having them there all the time, which is useful for that transition to normal plain text fluency. Now, each lesson should take just 5 to 10 minutes, and we only want you to do 1 lesson a day. So our goal is that you're doing a minimum of 4 sessions a week of 10 to 15 minutes, and within a month, you will be amazed at the reading transformation that you see. A randomized controlled trial of struggling readers showed an average gain of 2 years in reading age in just 3 to 6 months of daily lessons using trainer text. That can be your story too. It feels like magic, but it's really just method. Once you teach the brain the way it needs to learn, whole worlds of achievement can be released. So let's take a quick look at the game, and then I'm going to leave it to you to enjoy. Here's one of our games that is a crowd pleaser where you are trying to hit a target that matches the word below, and you can use the trainer text to help if you're getting stuck. So we have E, the equal sign over the E letter, and that's a tie for T. Eat, feet. Now we just got to find those feet. Got 'em. Great. I'm sure you're ready to have a try, so I'll let you get to it.